Hi, my name is Chris Morales, and I'm currently majoring in criminal justice in hopes to become a police officer. I feel I have achieved many things in life, such as being a summa cum laude recipient, athlete of the year, and breaking my high school's most career goals for girls water polo. Some of my goals in life are to be able to buy my parents a home, being able to support and have a healthy family, and be successful in life. Some of my hobbies mostly consist of athletics such as water polo, tennis, and swim, but I recently began painting and I have found it very relaxing. Some of my interests in life are K-pop and fashion because of the amazing music and what they wear because of the pieces they put together. And most importantly, what I hope to learn in this course is how to perfect public speaking and learn new tactics and skills to calm my anxiety when publicly speaking.